ONGOAL modular approach to the high-efficiency slurry mixing system, designed with a building block concept, facilitates quick setup and cost reduction while enhancing efficiency. This meets the demands for high efficiency, quality, and swift delivery both domestically and internationally. From modular design, factory prefabrication, in-plant installation and commissioning, to disassembly within the factory, module packing, transportation, on-site installation, and on-site commissioning, ONGOAL exercises control over the entire project lifecycle. The process is clear and manageable. With its unique modular design library, ONGOAL starts from the plant layout to carry out modular design and integration, collaboratively delivering a complete plant model along with personalized design solutions. A significant portion of welding, wiring, and alignment tasks are carried out within the factory in advance, reducing the complexity of on-site assembly and commissioning. After commissioning, the equipment is packed module by module, facilitating convenient long-distance transportation. Upon arrival at the site, the equipment can be quickly installed and commissioned. Based on prefabricated design and on-site layout conditions, it initiates layout installation promptly. The installation process is greatly simplified, enhancing work efficiency, comprehensively shortening the project timeline and reducing risks during the installation process. Simple and efficient, flexible and reliable, ONGOAL modular system solutions drive the future of global green energy.